it's currently Wednesday and it's around 8:30 a.m. Because there was a public holiday on Monday, I missed my marketing tutorial and I don't usually go to that, but I received my assignment feedback from my first part of my assignment, so I'm gonna go to the lecture today and try and get some feedback. And this is my outfit for today. It's just a pink shirt and also a pink skirt, so I'm gonna go for a pink kind of look today. Yeah.
Big question now is, do I select?
Hello, today it's Thursday and it's currently around like 9:40 a.m. But I'm gonna get ready to go to uni because I'm meeting up with my tutorial leader for marketing at like 11 a.m. to get some feedback on my assignment, and then I'm gonna go to my admin law class right after, and then I'm gonna study afterwards, and then I'm gonna hit the gym, and that's the plan for today. Yeah. And this is my outfit of the day. So I've just got like I think it's like a Y2K kind of shirt, and then a Calvin Klein belt and some jeans. Yeah, and I really like this. Such a cute outfit. I've been trying to do like side swept bangs, and it's been so hard so far. I'm trying to work on it because I really like the style of it. And because I put this heart clip on that I haven't worn before, I just put a heart necklace tee, and it's matching with my best friend. And do you guys hear that? I think there's like construction work or something, or like someone's like lawn mowing. Anyways, yeah. See you at uni. Bye. My sister is forcing me to go into this building because it's really nice. It's like a few more minutes until my consult, so I'm gonna be late for my consult. Is that all done? Oh, it's here. I finished the tutorial, advice consultation, and she gave me super good advice for the assignment and super good advice in general and just general life advice. And I was like, oh my god, I was like almost gonna cry. I was trying not to cry. I was like, oh my goodness, tearing up. But oh my god, I really like her so much now. Holy. I'm getting to class half an hour late, but it was worth